Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to the studio. Today's strategy is getting started in your importing business, actually getting stuff done. And if you've been thinking about starting a business online, maybe Amazon or eBay, or jump up on Shopify and start selling products, and you haven't yet done it, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Welcome back, everyone. So, I've dealt with I've spoken to a lot of people. I used to do a lot of seminars, and I meet people from all walks of life who walk up to me and say, Alex, I've got this great idea. I've had this idea for years, and I want to import this product, and I want to get it off the ground, and I just haven't done it. And it's been like 2 years, and I've had this idea, and that's a story that I hear a lot, and it's terrible to me because if I get an idea or if I have an idea, I want to import a particular product, I import it. I get started that day or that week on working towards that goal of importing, because guys, time is short, life is short. You never know how long you're going to be here, and you might be dead in a couple of years. So start importing, start making money, enjoy your life, and start doing something good for the world, and provide the world with a great product. That's how I would think about it. And if you have an idea now, what is stopping you from going ahead and importing it right now? What is stopping you from launching your Amazon business? What's your excuse right now? Because I think a lot of us are telling ourselves excuses like it's too hard, it's too much competition, I don't know anything about importing, I don't know what the next step is. Well, if that's your excuse, that's the excuse that's going to stop you. I tell you what, we live by the stories that we tell ourselves. So if you're telling yourself a story like that, then that story is probably the only reason why right now that you haven't done it. So get off your ass, and in the nicest possible way, and do something, guys. Actually start your importing business. Don't be one of those people that come up to me a year or 2 years from now and say, I wish I did this, I wish I started this business. And because you probably heard that story where a product gets famous and it's on TV and sells like crazy, and you don't want to be one of those people like, what, I had that idea. I had that idea years ago. I should have done it. I was going to do it. You don't want to be that person. So don't let that happen to you. All right, guys, have an awesome day. My name's Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China Make a Fortune. If you want a free video program showing you how to identify hot products and start a thriving import and Amazon business, check out my website, importexportcoaching.com. I've also got a free webinar there as well. And for the last 10 years, I've been coaching particular clients. If you are wanting to get coaching, I don't work with everybody. I'm not actually looking for people right now to coach, but if you meet a certain criteria, then if you've got a certain idea or you're sort of started the import business and you're at a certain level and you just want to achieve growth, I do take on some clients, so connect with me. But I've got a free video program at my website as well, so definitely check that out, guys. And I'll talk to you real soon. You have an awesome day and happy importing. See you later.